quiet. You can wake up the old man.
Yeah, sorry.
Alright, let's go in.
She's basically just the most amazing girl I've ever met. She's gone through a lot, and it just makes her stronger, and... You know what I mean, right, Gerald? I know exactly what you mean. I felt the same way about Georgina. Hello? Speaking. What?! Still not getting better, eh? Explosions don't do wonders for your skin condition, to say the least. Anyway, what happened here? Two thieves broke into the estate last night. They smashed a window, which is when the Earl was alerted of their presence. They broke into the safe room and stole almost £10,000 in jewellery and cash before leaving. We believe that they might have been in a red Ford Fiesta. Right. May I speak with the Earl? Yes, just be careful with them. Are you alright, Your Grace? Of course! But I do hope we catch those thieves. I got big plans for the castle which I need that money for. Don't worry. We'll catch them. Come along, come along. We're coming along, we're coming along! You're late. No, I'm Thomas. Funny, you could rival Eddie Izzard with that comedic tongue of yours. There's no need to be so stern, Henry. Well, actually, there is. Ulfstead Castle was robbed last night. Really? Yes, they made off with lots of cash and jewellery and drove away afterwards in a red Ford, I think. I must be off now. I'll see you later, Henry.
Go faster, Four Eyes!
I'm just trying to say hello. What are you doing? There, being rude. Wait, isn't that the car Henry described? My lord, it is. Full speed ahead, Thomas. I have an idea. What is it? I'll use my Bluetooth speaker to play police sirens, and they'll think we're the police. In the meantime, I'll call the actual police. Brilliant idea.
Damn it, the blue tankies with the pigs! Go faster!
No, no more.
What the hell are you doing?
The right thing.
Ah!
Sorry to sound cliched, but what do we have here?
He made me do it.
Your friend's been acquitted because he helped us catch you. So you have a different cellmate. Have fun. So, more engines come to Sodor, and it becomes a really useful railway for Sir Topham Hatt. Modernization marches on, but one engine will see it unfold before the very eyes in his smokebox. Me, Alfred 98462. sentenced to scrap to burn in the fire of the smelting pits. No longer important. No longer needed. No longer really useful. Unless the useful engines are gone. Since Henry won't be getting out of that tunnel anytime soon, I just have Gordon to deal with. He'll be swimming with the fishes.